There comes a time in life when a man begins to believe that his strength is leaving him. Maybe the hair has become grey, maybe the back is not as straight as before, maybe the steps are slower. And slowly, society begins to tell him, your time has passed. People say, you are old now. Sit quietly. Don't do too much. But listen carefully, strength does not come from youth. Strength comes from how you live. There are men of 20 who feel defeated. And there are men of 75 who still walk like lions. Aging is not the falling of the body, it is the falling of spirit. The day a man stops believing in his power, that is the day he becomes old. So today, this is not just a lesson. This is a reminder. A reminder that your body still listens to you. Your heart still beats every second, not to give up, but to keep you alive. Your bones still hold your weight. Your muscles are still waiting for your command. Even after 60, 70, 75 years, the fire inside you can still burn. But fires need fuel. And the fuel for strength comes from your daily choices. Your breath. Your movement. Your thoughts. Your food. Your discipline. This is where the black tea with ginger becomes powerful. Not because it is magic, but because it supports the body where the body struggles most with age. Circulation slows, digestion becomes weaker, fatigue comes faster, sleep becomes lighter, but ginger heats the blood, it restarts circulation like a small fire inside the veins. Black tea awakens the brain, it sharpens thoughts and re-energizes the body. Together, they wake the body from inside. This is not about becoming young again, this is about becoming alive again. How to make the tea ingredients: 1 cup of clean water, 1/2 teaspoon fresh ginger, grated or sliced, 1/2 teaspoon black tea leaves, 1 teaspoon honey, optional but recommended. Method: place the water on low heat, do not rush the boil. Add the ginger and let it simmer slowly. Let the ginger release its oil, its heat, its strength. After 1 to 2 minutes, turn off the flame. Add the black tea leaves. Cover the pot for 2 minutes, this step is important. It allows the tea to breathe and infuse. Strain and pour into a cup. Add honey only after the tea cools slightly, to protect its natural benefits. Drink it slowly, mindfully, with intention. When you drink this tea, tell your body, I am returning to myself. Just 10 minutes every day, walk slowly, but walk. Take deep breaths, fill your lungs fully. Keep your back straight when sitting. Do not sleep late, rest early. Don't eat heavy food at night. These are small things, yes. But small things build great strength. Strength is not measured by muscles. Strength is measured by presence. When you stand, stand with dignity. When you speak, speak with calm confidence. When you eat, eat with respect for your body. When you rest, rest without guilt. Aging is not the end. Aging is wisdom entering the body. And wisdom is powerful. You are not weak. You are experienced. You are not finished. You are evolving. Every day you drink this tea, every day you breathe and walk and hold yourself upright, you will feel your energy return, slowly, quietly, strongly. So remember, you are not old. You are seasoned. You are not done. You are becoming. The body becomes what the mind believes. And today, you choose strength.